Alright, good morning guys. It is about 4 in the morning right now. I went to bed like at midnight or 1 in the morning last night, and there wasn't even any snow. And now we just got, I think, 2 inches, 3 inches of wet heavy snow, guys. So, oh boy. So I think I'm gonna go hook up this truck, guys, with my plow. We're not even gonna take out the 2012 because this thing is wet and heavy. Oh man. Got it?
Yeah,
Okay. Alright guys, so it is crazy out here. It's gonna be just 4 of us today. So, oh man, here we go. Alright guys, it is daybreak and it's snowing a little bit, but it's melting. You guys, I didn't even have time to vlog. Let me clean this. I didn't even have time to vlog. I got a few footage, but it's just been hectic. I got a few accounts left to do, but I'm hoping this is it, you guys, for the snowfall. This was wet and heavy. Look at this. Look at it.
let it open in between my emails.
Okay. Let me close out of mine.
All right, so guys, we finished up the snow removal, and it was a tough one, very tough one, wet, heavy. Just whenever we get snow around this time, it's always wet and heavy, so it wasn't fun. So now all the team's busy. You guys, with all the stickers, decals order, and the hat, shirts, we are busy. And it's because of you guys we are busy. Thank you, and we appreciate the support, the love and the support. Our business is just, our small business is full, like thriving because of this community. Hey guys, I'm gonna take you guys along. We got a little tree project. We had the snowfall and it was wet, heavy snow. It must have took a tree down at one of our clients' house, and so I'm going to take you guys up there and show you what we are working with. We will be cutting down a branch, I don't know, a couple branches, and maybe possibly a tree. I'm not sure yet until we get there, but it's one of those work we can get it done, you know, in this type of weather. It'd be no problem. So that's what I'm going to look at right now. Take you guys along. Alright, so many of you guys seen this. Oh man, I don't even know how I'm going to be able to get up there. Holy cow. Look at this place, you guys. Oh my god, I had to put my four-wheel drive. It's steep. Holy cow. You guys, we did the fall cleanup here. And, oh man. It is different in the winter up here. It's beautiful, but this hill, it's kind of sketchy. Why? Look at this site though. Wow, I like this. Okay, there's a tree there. Right there. Okay. Okay, so that's what we got to cut up right here. Looks like old oak. Yeah, that is oak. It's all rotted out. So yeah, we were up here this last fall doing cleanup. Man. Yep, that's oak. Cut this down. So, yeah, right there. And I think he said there's another one down by the entrance. Yeah, it's rotten right in the middle. So, beautiful. So, all right, let's head back. All right, go back. Whoa. Ooh. Oh man, you guys. I went into, dropped off. Boy, that is sketchy. Yeah, let's see if I can get back up on this. I fell right off the side of the tar, the blacktop. Man, if you don't see where you're going, you will make it into there. This is really sketchy. Look at that. There's not much room from that side and that side. It's very sketchy. Boy, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This scares me. Okay, I see that tree right down here that's down. tightens your butt. Squeezing your butt on the way down here. Okay, there's that other tree right there. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I forgot to hit the record button when I was sawing this. I thought I was getting a time lapse, but I didn't. So we got that all cut up. It looks quite a bit. So I'm gonna go get my I'm gonna go down and get my dump truck, and we're gonna haul this out. And I gotta get in there, cut that down, cut all that, and just clean it up for him. So yeah. You guys can see this is all rotten, all in here, so it was pretty easy to cut. Out here, you guys, at the dump site, we don't have to pay any fee to dump, which is nice. I heard a lot of you guys pay for your dump. You know, here it's I'm glad that we don't have to pay for it, because we come out here quite a bit. So yeah, let me know where you guys are from, if you gotta pay dump fees. Comment down below, and how much, you know. It'd be very interesting to know how much everybody pays for just dumping debris. So let me know.